Previously in this challenge, we blew multiple accounts, but we also got us a new account. We took a trade for $1,500, which is actually half the way that you need to be to get funded for trading futures or get an account to where you have the opportunity to make money. Earlier, I got a comment telling me that I shouldn't be trading futures with prop firms, go to trading small caps. Small caps is stocks, just in case y'all don't know what that is. First off, I used to trade small caps. If y'all don't know what small caps are, then y'all probably never heard of something called a PDT rule. It limits the amount of trades you could take a day, and they don't allow you to have any margin or extra power with entering positions if you don't have at least $25,000 in your account. Actually, I plan on going back to small caps after I start succeeding on futures. But anyway, you want me to trade small caps? Just wire me like 25,000 real quick. I put down futures right now and I go back to trading small caps. Actually, no, I want 30,000 just in case I get in a losing streak off rip. And by the way, you're just gambling. You have no clue on how to really trade the market. Well, buddy, listen here. I don't gamble most of the time. I actually trade based on a strategy that I will not be revealing right now. And just because I don't draw all these drawings, put all these lines and boxes and all these indicators on my chart, don't mean that I'm not doing technical analysis. Thank you for leaving your comment though, I appreciate you. Leading into day 5, I was trying to go for the bigger 1,500 trade just off rip automatically. Starting with the first trade, I tried to take a market open gamble. I thought you said you don't gamble. Man, what's up, bruh? I love pre-market charting real quick, you feel me? Yeah, I know we could be taking this internal, nice little swing low on the internal. We just wait. I don't want to take no trades before open, so we'll be over here on fort for the moment, bro. Oh yeah. You give me something like this, I will be very pleased. Is this my trade? That is indeed my trade. What? Oh no, they tripping. How they just gonna kick me off their platform like that? I said they do it. We can get into it.
Order filled.
Okay. Well, that went incredibly wrong. I got stopped out almost instantly off of market open. On the next trade, let's see, we can take a continuation off of that. We go break even. I took a more riskier entry, so I didn't get any type of confirmation on this, right? So I placed my stop at a level that was a little bit outside of my comfort zone, but it was the best I could do just because of the level that I chose to enter it. On this next trade, might be able to get something off of that. I'm a little late to the buy, but I actually took this based on a setup that I've been back testing a lot. Boom. And that was my first winning trade of the day, right? I have a little bit of a cushion now. I wanted to wait until we get to a level to where price can have a very strong reaction. And after we hit one of these levels, if price began to show a reaction, then we'll enter based on this.
Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna just trust my entry and go for this trade right here. Hopefully we can get us a strong little move back to the downside real quick.
Order filled.
I was just about to say if they didn't take me out there trade, I was gonna be mad. I wanted to pass the account today. We almost did. But then came an issue. I was $200 away from passing this eval account. I was very, very, very excited. I tried to take a cheap trade to get that last $200.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
Come on, finish coming down.
Order filled.
Okay. And I just gave back all my profits. All right. I'm actually glad that I lost this. It's so stupid thinking about it now. But this is part of the journey, so we gonna keep this in here. I took the cheap trade, boom, took a heavy hit. This was an absolute monstrosity. Once again, like I told you, I felt like I needed this day. Very, very, very heavy with lessons. On one end, it tells me that I need to be more patient. Not only with the trades itself, but with the goals that I set mentally while I'm taking the trades. So we will fix that up. Y'all gonna see all the bad that I gotta go through before I can reach the good. This is the previous episode of the challenge if you wanna watch that. And this right here is the full playlist.